How to install Claude Code on Windows 11 2026 full tutorial. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through a complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can install Claude Code on Windows 11 in 2026. If you're a developer, automation enthusiast, or someone working with AI coding tools, then this is something you will definitely want to learn. Claude Code is powerful, developed tool built on the top of Claude 3.7 from Anthropic. It allows developers to write, edit, debug, and understand code using AI directly from their local machine. However, installing it on Windows 11 requires a few setup steps, and that is exactly what we're going to cover today. In this tutorial, you will learn the tools you need before installing Claude and how to install the required environment, how to connect Claude Code to your system, and how you can run your first AI coding command, and some pro tips to make your workflow faster. So let's get started. Before installing anything, it's important to understand what Claude Code actually is. Claude Code is essentially an AI coding agent that can run locally on your system. Instead of manually writing every line of code, you can give instructions such as create a Python script for file organization or fix errors in this JavaScript function, or just explain what this code block does. The AI will analyze your project and generate or modify code accordingly. Now, this makes it extremely useful for software development, debugging, or learning programming, or automating coding tasks. Now, let's move on to the installation process. The first thing you need to do is Node.js, which provides the runtime environment needed to run many modern developer tools. You're simply going to type in Node.js and click on enter. Once you click on this, you're going to install this, click on get Node.js and simply download this. If you're using Windows or Mac, Linux, and we're going with Windows, simply click on that and let it download in the browser. Now, once the installer is downloaded, simply double click it and it is going to start launching. And after the installation finishes, we need to verify that Node is working. You can simply open the command prompt on Windows 11 and type any command. Now, if everything is installed correctly, you should see a version number appear, and that is going to confirm that the package manager is going fine. Now your system is ready for the next step, and since this is downloading, let's move on to installing Claude. Now we're ready to install the main tool. Now, to install Claude, you're simply going to go over to the official website, or you can also go back to the command prompt or the PowerShell. We're going to download this right here. Go over to your account on the left low corner, click on download, and you need to follow the instructions on how you're going to download it. Simply click on install and the application is directly installed into your computer. Now, the installation process may take a few minutes with the Node.js depending on your internet speed. Once everything is finished, you can verify the installation and quickly check if everything is working. And that is it. You've now successfully downloaded Claude Code, which is going to be the main AI tool that you're going to use in your Windows 11. You can also test the tool, simply test in a command or ask it any questions, and if it's working and responding like a normal AI agent, it means that everything is set in its place. Now, instead of writing every line manually, you can simply describe what you want to the Claude chat box interface. For the best experience, many developers connect Claude Code with an editor like Visual Studio Code. You can open your project folder, and inside the editor, you can simply just generate codes. Go over to project, simply click on new project, and that way you can start defining the kind of project that you want. You can now generate code, you can fix the bugs or refactor functions or create documentation. Now, Claude becomes a coding partner that helps you work faster. So here are a few tips to make Claude Code work even better. First is to give clear instructions when asking the AI to generate the code. For example, instead of saying make a program, you can simply be specific, ask it to create a Python program that organizes files by file type. Now, second is to keep your project files organized so that the AI can analyze them easily. Don't just shift shift everything into one single chat, go back to new chats and create new chats for each project, or don't just shift every project into the same chatbots. Third is to review the generated code before actually running it. AI tools are powerful but still require human supervision. So just make sure you're actually satisfied with the code that you generated or the project that you're working with. If Claude Code doesn't run correctly, here are some quick fixes. Problem 1 could be your command is not recognized. The solution is simple: restart the terminal after the installation, and then follow the instructions, and that is it. Problem number 2 is Node version errors. The solution is to update Node to the latest version. Mostly Cloud does allow you to be downloaded into your Windows 11 without needing Node, but just to make sure that you can connect different applications in your desktop directly, you should install Node. It is just going to ensure the clarity that you need. Another problem that you might face is authentication failed. The solution is easy. Just re-enter your API key using the login command. Most issues can be solved with these simple steps. Now that you've successfully installed Claude Code on your Windows 11 system, let's take a couple of minutes to make sure that everything is running perfectly, and more importantly, that you're actually getting the most out of it. First, just simply take a moment to check your setup, open Claude, and try a simple prompt like summarize this text, or just type in write a short email. If it responds quickly and accurately like any general AI tool, then your app is fully updated. Then you're good to go. If not, double check your internet connection and make sure your browser app is fully updated. Since Claude runs best in modern environment, keeping your system updated on Windows 11 is key to avoid performance issues. Now let's talk about workflow. One of the best ways to use Claude efficiently is to treat it like a smart assistant rather than just a chatbot. Be specific with your prompts. Instead of saying help me write something, try write a professional email for a client meeting follow-up. The more context you give, the better your results will be. Another pro tip is using Claude alongside your daily tools. Whether you're working in Google Docs, coding, or managing tasks, you can copy and paste content into Claude to refine, summarize, or even brainstorm ideas. This turns it into a productivity booster rather than just a tool you occasionally open. Also, don't forget about prompt structuring. A simple format like what you want with context and tone or style can dramatically improve the output. For example, write a friendly Instagram caption for a jewelry brand promoting a new collection. And you see, this is especially useful if you're running something like an online store. Keeping your content consistent and engaging becomes much easier. Finally, explore and experiment. The more you use Claude, the more you will understand how to guide it. Try different types of tasks, content writing, research, coding help, and you will quickly see where it fits best in your workflow. And that is it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to install and start using Claude on Windows 11 like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future content. I've got a lot more tutorials coming on AI tools, productivity hacks, and making your workflow faster and smarter. If you have any questions or got stuck at any step, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.